to help remove the oil sump bolt. On the ring gear, there are cutouts. As you can see over there. Here is the cutout, and there is another one cutout. So we're going to turn the crankshaft and make this ring gear cutout aligned with this case opening. So that's aligned with the bolt. So that makes things easier to remove that bolt. And there's another one for the other opening as well. So we have a two opening, we have two bolts. So we're going to make that two cutout here align. There's another two on the opposite side. So we're going to turn the crankshaft and align with this two. So the crankshaft, we're using a 90mm 12-point socket and ratchet to turn the crankshaft. So we're going to turn the crankshaft, and we can see it's moving. So we turn the crankshaft, the ring gear turning, the ring gear turning. So we make this aligned well with this opening. Let's move the light. See, it's aligned with opening. When it's aligned with this case opening, it's aligned with the bolts. A little bit more. Yeah, I think that's much better. You can see this cutout will make your removing that oil sump bolt much easier.